Hi buddies, welcome back to my channel Tyro's by Anila. Today I'm going to share a super fast and easy tasty recipe using ripe bananas. And if you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel and watch all my videos. Now let's get started. Ingredients required here are, I have taken 3 small size bananas, ripe bananas, and almost 1 cup of wheat flour, and about 1/4 cup of jaggery. Here I am adding 1/4 cup of jaggery because I am using 3 ripe bananas which are having natural sweetener. So next I will heat a pan. Add 3 to 4 teaspoons of ghee. Now I am going to add wheat flour and mix it continuously till its color changes. Actually, the truth behind this recipe is I was thinking of making banana halwa or banana something burfi type, but it went wrong, so I have made it as laddu. So it is also very tasty, so I thought of sharing this with you. So I have made it. You just try it once, you will also really love it because I have used minimal of ghee and sugar is not used here. So it is very healthy as well, so you can try it once at home. Here the color has been changed, but you can't see it because of the light. But I'll transfer it into a bowl and show you. Here I have transferred the processed flour. You can see the color, and now we'll keep it aside. Now I'll peel the bananas and smash it properly without lumps. And the most important thing I want to tell you is if you're a sweet lover, then definitely use a little more jaggery, or if you want you can use even sugar. As I am using just 3 small ripe bananas and 1/4 cup of jaggery, so you can add more as according to your taste. So it's not compulsory to use the same ratio. After mashing the bananas properly, we'll take the same pan and add the jaggery first. Next I'll add the smashed ripe bananas. Mix them well and let the jaggery melt. As it is not sticky, so this is the perfect consistency for adding the flour. Now I'll add the flour and mix it well. As you can see, this is little dry, so we'll add some water. Now just off the flame and let it cool. After 10 to 15 minutes, it's just little warm. So now I'm going to make laddus. Grease your hands with ghee and just make the laddu. And now it's done. Just garnish with some nuts and just eat it. And you can even store this for about 2 to 3 days and you can eat it, and it's really very healthy. So just try it once. Store these laddus in an airtight container like this, and you can store it up to 3 to 4 days even. And if you like this recipe, just give a thumbs up, and thank you so much buddies for watching my video till the end. Thank you.